Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Njoki, but you can call me Zippy. So this is going to be a very short video because I wanted to share with you guys what's on my bedside table or bedside drawer, whatever you want to call it. And I didn't get to show it in the other video because I was afraid it would be too long, and I also don't want to show it in the bedroom reveal video because it will be too long again. So I thought I should just make a video on its own about the bedside table. So I got this bedside table for 2,000 Kenyan shillings. I got it made at a fundi's place. I would want to leave his contacts down below, but sadly I do not have his contacts, but if you want it, I'll definitely connect you. So this is how it looks like from the top to the bottom. That's how it looks like. And then up here on the top I have this fake plant, and then I have these earbuds, and I have this mirror. I love that mirror. And then right at the bottom of that there's a big hollow space, and I have my small Vaseline here, what I use when I want to sleep. I apply it on my lips, and then I have my pen here. Alafu there are these notebooks. Kunai notebook. This is my phone cover. I'm not currently using it. And then I have this other notebook that I haven't opened it. And then there's my old notebook, and then there's my pocket book for my identifications and whatever. And then inside there are these tea bags. They are hibiscus tea bags. This is what I'm currently drinking. And then there's my cologne over here, and then there's this lotion that I'm currently using, Hapo. And that's it for that space. And then we go down to the first drawer. Here's the first drawer. The first drawer is full of personal-ish stuff, like hygiene-ish stuff. Then my pads over here, and then wipes. These are wipes. This is a Kaluma just in case you know, your back hurts or something. And then inside here there's a box that I've put some medication and some panty liners and also some earrings. There's also this remover, hair remover, that's in here. And then somewhere down there, I can't seem to find it, there's Dettol inside there, under here, people, Dettol. And that's it for that drawer. And then the last drawer has got lots of stuff, nothing specific. There's this jar that I have here. This one has stuff for manicure. And there's this yarn. There's this elephant that I got it some time back, and then ikapasuka mguu, so I've just put it in there. And there's this spray paint. There's my what is it called, my power bank, and USB cables, and just stuff. I think I just put stuff in here, stuff that is not like in lots of use, stuff that I'm not using so much. I put it down here. So yeah, that's basically it. That's what is in my bedside drawer or table, or whatever you want to call it. Also, when I'm charging my phone, I like to put it here. I like to put it here at night here, so that when I wake up it's fully charged. So yeah, that's basically it. This is how it looks like from top to bottom. Nothing else. That's simple, and that's all.